Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to find your phone number on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to find your phone number, so let's see how can you do this. So first step is that you just have to open your dial pad, and here you have a code USSD codes to find numbers. As I am using this SIM card, so just select, and here you just have to select SIM, and here you will easily get your phone number. But if you won't get it here, you have another step, which is open your phone call app, then enter the code star hash 4636 hash star hash and then star, and then this pop-up will appear. You just have to select phone information, and here you will easily get the section of phone number, and it will automatically detect your phone number. So that's how you can find your phone number on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.